Hello guys, welcome back on my channel. Today we are continue our journey in the must-try AI tools in Canva. Here in a part 26 I will show you the text path maker. It's a pretty amazing application where we can create our own path for any text or we can use any preset ones. But before we dive into the tutorial, I have a quick favor to ask. If you like my content and find it valuable, please take a moment and hit the small like button and subscribe to my channel. It really helps to keep creating content for you. Thanks, and now let's get started. So first thing first, I'm going to the app list in the Canva. And here we find the text path maker. Design text along any path with full control. As we can see, we can create a heart, eclipse, hexagon, or even our own drone. Developed by Huyn Tan Hui. Hope so I pronounce more or less properly. Sorry, I'm not familiar with any Asian languages. But actually the application is pretty amazing. So it's a really must try. So I just open a new page. Go into the apps, text path maker. I just open it. How can I reset it? So that will be also challenging. Maybe I cannot reset. Okay, so I just refresh my page. So this is one small thing what I don't like in this application. We cannot reset what we already did, or I just might be here. No, there is no reset function. So this one is a small problem, but as you can see, if we refresh the page, we can do it. So that's still better if you have any reset function, but it's still really usable. So I just typing Canva teacher, nope, tutorial, and here we have different presets. Like here you can see there is a text is not long enough, but it's almost. Yeah, it's time to time not easy to find the proper way, but it's not a, oh no, I just have a better idea. I just delete this Canva. Scrolling down, here we can find different kind of fonts. Not so many, but still not only one. I change to Helvetica, make it bold, and just the size adjust to 24. This might be already too big. 23, 22. Yeah, 22.2. 0.4. Yeah, okay. And we can change the color, which is pretty nice. We can adjust the spacing, horizontal spacing. Now we don't want to do it. We can add a border if we want. I just remove it, I don't need the border. And we can add the background. I don't add now the background due to there is also a function what I miss. If I add any color as a background, like I did it here, we cannot remove it anymore. And here is the output size. And just add into the design. increasing the size. As you can see, this really nice heart shape text. So if I'm going to here and go into the background, adding like this. No, purple is not good. Yellow. Here there is no function anymore to remove the background color. This is why I don't want to edit in a first. But as you can see, it's also pretty amazing. Here is a small thing, there is two texts are not matching. So there's here is when the text starting, and here is the second text is finishing, and there is a small gap between, but still not bad. And here is without the border, and that was my first text. And as I already mentioned, we can create our own draw. That's actually a pretty amazing tool. We click here to the draw. I just added a new page. We can create, as you can see, just drawing with the mouse and adding to the design. That's pretty amazing. And one even more amazing part, if I choose any file, I just dropping my last YouTube thumbnail. We can create here just following any object what we would like to use here. And if I upload the same image, of course this doesn't match now due to this is a square and this is a YouTube thumbnail canvas size. But if you're using something similar, that's already a nice option. Or if I just add this image to here, like I think just have to upload this image to my Canva library. It was not uploaded. So if I just upload, set here like this and send it back. Nope, I will not use the text. As you can see, it's the same, really the same path. Due to when I created the path, I just used the outside of this. I think that was a book or just a magazine. So if you need something, if you would like to add a text around something, you can use this method also. Just upload the image, or not upload, just select the image, upload to this application. You can draw around and add the text to the project and use the same image again, and we have the image separately and the text separately, and just have to play with the size of one of them, mostly with the text. Then you will get a text around any object what you want. So that's a really amazing application. I really like it. I'm so amazed about it. So that's really must try if you would like to have a really nice images, Facebook post, image, YouTube thumbnails, or any other social media images. I highly recommend this app. So thank you guys to develop it. Highly appreciate it. But now this tutorial going to the end. Hope so you like it. If you really like it, please do not forget to hit the small like button. Subscribe to my channel. Leave comment in the comment section if you miss anything from the tutorial or you struggling anything in a Canva. Please visit also my Facebook page. You can find the link in the description, where you can find lots of other Canva tutorials, not only from me, also from other amazing Canva experts. Plus, you can find a bunch of text to image generation prompts for different kind of application. So if you are interested on this area, please feel free to check my Facebook page also. You can find the link in the description. But now this tutorial really going to the end. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one. Ciao.